Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome to or back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post all things fashion, lifestyle, and my small business. So let's go thrifting. I'm about to head out the door, but I want to show you my cute thrift fit.
Oh my god! Wow!
Shoes are obviously Air Forces that I put beads in. It's actually my most popular video. Jeans are from H&M. I love them. I love the baggy look. The tank top is thrifted. This is from my website. This is from Etsy. This is from Shein. It's from Bellita's Accessories. She always sends me little cute gifts. The earrings are not sure. I said that in another video, but my dad got them for me for Christmas. These are both from Every Jewels, and yeah. Okay, now let's go thrifting. Hello, so I'm gonna start with the one that I think is the most difficult, not because of who they are, but because it's gonna be difficult for me because I don't do that a lot. So I actually have a boy to style today. His name is Lewis, and here is some of his inspiration. Very artsy, very skater boy, very indie, and I don't usually have the best luck with male stuff, so this one's probably gonna take the longest, so that's what we're gonna do first. So let's just see what we can find. But I'm definitely going to start in the tan pants and in the denim. Hello. So I am finally done with Lewis's bundle, I think. I've been walking around in circles and I cannot find a cardigan that is like what's on his Pinterest, so I'm just going to show you guys what I did find. Okay, so first I have this. It's a canvas tote bag. He's also getting one of my bags, which is really cool. And for the first outfit, I found these Levi jeans for him. They have the perfect like baggy look, I think. They're an amazing wash. And I really love them. And then to go with that, it's a little layering moment. So I have a t-shirt that looks like this. Really cute and simple, and I just really love the colors. And then to go on top of that, I found this gorgeous sweater vest. So cute. So that's his first outfit. And for his second outfit, I was kind of pulling the skater vibes with these pants. These are cargos. I love the color of them. And then to go with that, I thought that this would be cute. It's a little... Oh no. Wait, scratch that. This has a bunch of stains. Never mind, we're not getting this. Hello. So I finally finished his bundle. He still needs like some jewelry, but I'm gonna get that at a different thrift store. So next we are going to go to Simile, I'm so sorry, but here is some of her inspiration. Very trendy, just very colorful. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I saw a lot of scarf looking tops on her Pinterest, and I was so excited whenever I found this. It is orange and yellow and white, and it's so beautiful. She can wear it so many different ways, so I'm so excited I found that for her. And that's her extra top. And then her first outfit will consist of this long sleeve, which is kind of see-through, but I really like it, especially for summer. And I was thinking if she like tied it up like this and it was like super cropped to go with these shorts, that would be so cute. So that's her first outfit. Okay, so for her second outfit, she said that she would really like a pair of mom jeans, and she also said that we have similar body types, so I think that these are gonna go great on her because they kind of look pretty okay on me. So these are some Tommy Hilfiger straight leg high-waisted pants. I love that they have like little red detailing on the backs and on the front. so that red stitching would be perfect with funky halter top. It's zebra print, and I think that is going to be so cute. So yeah, she still needs a purse and some jewelry, so I still have to find that, but I'll come back when I styled another person. So these are the last two people that I'm going to be styling today. I just finished them up and they're kind of complete opposites, which I think is really cool. So let me just show you what I got. So this first girl, she likes very Y2K, grunge, and just that sort of era. So I found this tank top that I could not leave it, but I had to figure out how to make it look more grunge. So look at this. So it is a super cute butterfly tank top. I know. And I thought she could layer this mesh top underneath, and I'm actually gonna like cut little slits in it because she said that she really likes that like distressed look and kind of worn out. So I thought that would be really cute, and it's actually a bodysuit, but I was thinking she could pair it with this skirt. A lot of her Pinterest had skirts, and I thought like this ruffly one would be really cute. So this would be an outfit. I really like it. She showed a lot of denim skirts on her Pinterest as well, so I hope this one fits, but it says that it's a size 4, which is what she is, but she can always wear a belt. I also thought that this top was really cute. It's a long sleeve and it has a bunch of like super cool designs, and it's a large, so it's gonna be like that oversized look, and I feel like that would be so cute if she like let it go over the skirt, like instead of tucking it in or anything. And since I'm a little bit iffy and I'm not sure if she's gonna like those two things, I also found this for her. It is a mesh long sleeve. It's a button up, so I feel like again if she were to like tie this up or something, like that would be really cute. And she also wants some jewelry and a purse, so I found this purse for her. I thought it was like super simple and really cute. I love the little detailing on the side. Now for the next girl, she has more of the like Pinterest trendy aesthetic, and yeah, so a lot of like brown skirts and such, and I couldn't find any like bodycon ones, but I did find this one. It's not like a brown, it's more of a tan, so it's like this. I think I'm gonna crop it right beneath the pockets, but I really like that. And to go with that, I have 3 tops for her. This one, which I love the print and the colors and everything, it just screams Pinterest spring vibe. And a lot of her Pinterest showed like tops that had this kind of design, and it's kind of really long for no reason at all, so she could like tuck it into something. And then lastly, since I'm a little bit iffy on that tank top, I'm actually gonna get her this to bring in more spring vibes. But since it's basic, I'm going to do the TikTok trend where you like cut the bottom and you're gonna make it into like a cool looking top. So that's what I'm gonna do first. So yeah, that is all that I have today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked watching me style people. Please don't forget to like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool. And you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye!